It's not every day that you get to experience one of America's oldest roller coasters, but I am out here at Belmont Park in San Diego, California, taking a ride here on Giant Dipper, their old wooden roller coaster here on the San Diego coast. Opening in 1925, Belmont Park is San Diego's most iconic seaside attraction, opening with many family and thrill rides, including their marquee attraction, Giant Dipper. Built by Pryor and Church, the ride features a 73-foot-tall lift hill, curved first drop, and reaches speeds of 48 miles per hour. The park continued to operate through the 60s and into the 70s, but fell into disrepair and ended up closing in 1976. The Giant Dipper became an eyesore, and many residents of the Mission Beach area wanted it torn down. In 1988, the park reopened after being acquired by developers who turned the rest of the park into a commercial shopping center. Giant Dipper was still in need of repairs, so the San Diego Coaster Company was formed to repair the ride by replacing thousands of feet of lumber, giving the ride a new train, and on August 11, 1990, Giant Dipper reopened. On July 4th, 2026, Giant Dipper turned 101 years old. Let's go take a ride on this historic wooden roller coaster. First ride here on Giant Dipper, San Diego's 101-year-old roller coaster. Very dark in here. Nice dark ride section. Here we go. Here we go. Look at that view of the water. Let's go. Oh, it's nice and smooth. Whoa! Oh wow! This GCI retrack is so nice. Oh! That was the first rough patch. Whee! That was fun. That was a great little ride. Nice old smooth wooden roller coaster. That's awesome. Just got off of 2 rides there on Giant Dipper, and this ride honestly really surprised me. For how old it is extremely smooth, especially with that nice GCI retrack that they did just a couple of months ago. But everything else about this ride has been there for many, many years. Of course, it's been retracked many times throughout the seasons, but it is insanely smooth. As of the time that I am filming this video, it is July 3rd, 2026. This ride opened originally back on July 4th of 1925, which does mean that this ride is turning 101 years old tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching this video here on Giant Dipper. I know it was pretty short, but this is going to be the July 4th special here on the channel. So more videos from San Diego and the rest of Southern California are coming soon. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a great rest of your day. See ya.